हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 5 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs को थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स रहते हैं, जिनके आंसर्स आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Recently, the World Championship of Legends WCL 2025 title won by which team? And the answer is South Africa. Second question. India's first AI-powered Anganwadi has been launched in which state? And the answer is Maharashtra. Third question. Recently, which state has announced establishment of Safai Karmachari Commission? And the answer is Bihar. Fourth question. Recently, which state or UT organized first ever BIMSTEC Traditional Music Festival? And the answer is New Delhi. Fifth question. A completely new blood group in the world has been found in a 38-year-old woman from Kolar district of Karnataka, which has been named as, and the answer is CRIB. Sixth question. From which country did India receive its 16th Airbus C-295 military transport aircraft? And the answer is Spain. Seventh question. Which institute has developed bamboo polymer composite as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic in vehicle interiors? And the answer is IIT Guwahati. Eighth question. India has recently won the test match with the least margin against which team? And the answer is England. Ninth question. Where has India commissioned its first Make in India green hydrogen plant in the port sector? And the answer is Kandla. 10th question. How many organ transplants did India perform in 2024, making it the third largest in the world after the US and China? And the answer is 18,900. 11th question. Which of the following assembly has transitioned to a fully digital and solar powered system ahead of the monsoon session that started on August 4, 2025? And the answer is Delhi Assembly. 12th question. Who has been elected as the President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India ICMAI for 2025-26? And the answer is TCA Srinivas Prasad. 13th question. According to RBI's update, as of July 31st, 2025, what percentage of rupees 2000 banknotes have been returned to the banking system? And the answer is 98.31%. 14th question. What is the main objective of IEPFA 100-day Saksham Niveshak campaign launched in July 2025? And the answer is to help shareholders claim unclaimed dividends and update KYC details. 15th question. Which global healthcare company has signed an MOU with DPIIT to support health startups in India? And the answer is Roche India. 16th question. How many centers of excellence have been recognized under the National Critical Mineral Mission by the Ministry of Mines in 2025? And the answer is 7. 17th question. Which scientific institute developed India's first scientifically proven bio-authenticated lavender honey? And the answer is CSIR, Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine. 18th question. What is the name of India's first state-level global fintech hub being launched in Odisha? And the answer is Integrated Global Financial Technology Capability Hub. 19th question. According to the FAO Global Report on Food Crisis 2025, which country is currently ranked as the world's most food insecure nation? And the answer is Afghanistan. 20th question. Who is the author of the book M.S. Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India? And the answer is Priyamvada Jayakumar. 21st question. What position has been given to India in fish production at the global level? And the answer is second. 22nd question. Shibu Soren was the former chief minister of which state who passed away recently? And the answer is Jharkhand. 23rd question. Recently, the initiative called Apna Ghar has been started by whom? And the answer is Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. 24th question. The book titled A Treatise for the Remarkable Rohit is written by whom? And the answer is R. Kaushik. And the last 25th question. Who has recently been officially appointed as Controller of Personal Services? And the correct answer is C.R. Praveen Nair. तो ये थे 5 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, हु हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट वुमेन टू बी अपॉइंटेड एज डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ रेलवे प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स RPF in its 143-year history? Second question, for which film did Shah Rukh Khan won his first National Film Award for Best Actor at the 71st National Film Awards? Third question, in which Indian city did VinFast open its second showroom after Surat? Fourth question, what is the latest GDP growth projection for India in 2025-26 according to Fitch Ratings? And the last fifth question, which country will host the 8th edition of the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2027? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।